Alright, boys. Round 3.
Back with the boys. All heading this chef.
Greasing up.
Squashing out, just ready. Want some grease.
Gotta grease.
Got to grease up here.
The squash won't grab you.
Now remember, kids, whenever you go squashing, make sure to grease. Traction is key for a Sasquatch in grabbing you. And with the grease, he just can't catch traction. It's just simple mathematics.
Very important. Very important.
And while you're at it, go check out Flat Earth. I mean, that makes a lot of sense.
Flat Earth is more important than the round
Exactly,
Earth.
yeah. I mean, you can't spin a tennis ball and have water stay on it. I mean, that doesn't make sense, but whatever.
But back to the squatches.
Yeah.
Back to the squash.
We heard one about 30 yards.
Yeah, almost, if that.
figured we'd stop and grease and go ahead and record this.
Make
Okay,
it feel we
everybody.
grease,
Getting good and greased up.
Let's get ready to go, boys.
All right, we ready?
Greasy
We ready? Everybody grease. Everybody grease. Everybody greased up.
Okay, we're ready to roll.
This is a known spot for a squash.
All right, before we go any further, guys, let's just grease up one more time.
Make sure we're extra grease.
One more time. Okay, get in that grease there. Oh man, yeah, okay. I didn't drop my grease. You gotta get up in that grease. Cody's in that grease. Cody, greasing good? Travis, you got the grease.
Straight up.
All greased
All right,
out.
good.
There's no way he's gonna get me today. Everybody nice and greased.
All slick.
Yeah, I think we're greased.
Let's do this.
Okay.
Come on, boys. Nice pass. Squash pass. Very well traveled.
We've had many sightings.
We've heard coyotes, which is obvious squatch.
Heavily traveled for a squash.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely heavy squatch area. God. Squat, grease, 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 grease.
Grease up!
Grease, quick, quick, quick.
Grease up!
Come on, boys.
Okay, we
Grease.
Oh God! Oh God!
Grease.
Oh God! Grease! 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 Grease up! Grease up!